I'm Kem. I'm a video game developer. My job is to create the 3D levels that players run through. Creating an in-game world is a complex job. I need a laptop that will empower me to create 3D environments, and at real time. I use programs which require a lot of processing power. For example, node-based software to create real-world materials and landscapes. I want to be able to see the changes I make happen in real time, with no lag, so I can work efficiently. I need a machine which has the power to work with the 3D worlds that I create. They are full of life, light, color, and textures. The ZenBook Pro Duo's high processing power can easily deal with the 3D environments in Unreal Engine, which means less time waiting for rendering and more time creating. Display and visualization is incredibly important. I need uncluttered screen space to be able to sort out any workflow problems. The dual screens allow me to free up space, whilst the app snapping lets me customize my workspace to my needs. The ZenBook Pro Duo lets me bring my creativity with me wherever I go. So I can always draw inspiration from the environments around me and create truly immersive experiences.